Hello dear students. Next concept relating to construction of index numbers. Okay. The second method for the construction of index number is weighted price index number. In that, okay, there are two sub methods are there. That is first one, weighted aggregative price index number, and second one, weighted average of a price relative. We will first see the first method. And also the formula for calculation or construction of index numbers relating to first method, that is weighted aggregative price index numbers. It means there are 5 different persons or scholars and statisticians and mathematicians is also there. Okay, they given according to their perspective. They given some formula for construction of index numbers. So move on to the formulas relating to construction of index numbers. Okay, based on first method, weighted aggregative price index numbers. First formula is Laspeyres price index. Laspeyres price index. Then the formula relating to Laspeyres is P of 0 1 raised to L equals to summation of P1 Q0 divided by summation of P0 Q0 into 100. Here, this is the current year price and this is the base year price, and this is the base year quantity we taken here. This formula is based on the base year quantities are taken as a weights for a calculation of Laspeyres method. It means as per Laspeyres, he taken base year quantities as a weights for construction of a index numbers. This is formula for Laspeyres. Second one, Pax's price index. Okay, here the formula relating to Pax's price index. Okay, P of 0 1 raised to P equals to summation of P1 Q1 divided by summation of P0 Q1. See the difference. Here we taken both sides Q0 and Q0, and in this formula we taken Q1 Q1. It means as per Pax's perspective, he taken current year quantities as a weights for construction of a index number. So that's why he considered current year quantities Q of 1 are used as a weights. So formula is like this, summation of P1 Q1 divided by summation of P0 Q1 into 100. Move on to the third one, Marshall-Edgeworth index number. If they asked to calculate the index of a Marshall-Edgeworth, then formula relating to Marshall-Edgeworth. Marshall-Edgeworth takes into consideration of Laspeyres and Pax's index also. It means he considers both base year quantities and current year quantities as a weights for calculation of this. So P of 0 1 raised to ME, it is nothing but Marshall-Edgeworth. You have to mention that, equals to summation of P1 Q0 divided by summation of P0 Q0, then plus summation of P1 Q1 divided by summation of P0 Q1. It means you can consider it as summation of P1 Q0 plus summation of P1 Q1 divided by summation of P0 Q0 plus summation of P0 Q1 into 100. Here there is no shortcut formula for calculation of a Marshall-Edgeworth. Please note it down, because Marshall-Edgeworth, there is no shortcut formula for calculation of this. Move on to the fourth one, Dornish-Bowditch price index. They can ask for 5 marks relating to Marshall-Edgeworth or Dornish-Bowditch. Dornish-Bowditch index is totally different compared to these 3 persons formula. So P of 0 1 raised to dB. Here we mentioned that P of 0 1 raised to dB equals to half of it means 1 by 2 or half of this. It means summation of P1 Q0 divided by summation of P0 Q0 plus summation of P1 Q1 divided by summation of P0 Q1 into 100. It means after this calculation you have to consider it as 50% of this result. Okay, half of this is considered as a result. Or you can also use shortcut formula for the calculation of Darvish-Bowlage, that is P of 01 raised to dp equals to half of, okay, open bracket, P of 01 raised to L is nothing but the last year's price index answer plus P of 01 raised to P is nothing but the passes, okay, index answer. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ passes ಅವರ ಒಂದು index the result ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, whatever the final result, okay, we got from last year's and passes, okay, you have to add it both and consider it, okay, of that. And last one, okay, Fisher's, okay, price index. This person is totally different, and Fisher's index number is also called as an ideal index number because it is based on, okay, geometric mean. So the formula of calculation of a Fisher's index is, okay, P of 01 raised to F equals to root of, okay, summation of P1 Q0 divided by summation of P0 Q0 into summation of P1 Q1 divided by summation of P0 Q1. Okay, here is the formula into 100, okay, or you can also use shortcut formula for calculation of a Fisher's price index only when they asked to calculate last year's and passes. One the ತಿಳ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಏನಂದ್ರ ನಾವು Darvish-Bowlage ಅವರದು ಮತ್ತು Fisher's ಅವರದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯಾವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು passes ಅವರದು ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೀವು ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು passes ಅವರದು ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಫೈನಲ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. It means you can only use this shortcut formula only after calculation of last year's and passes only. Otherwise, okay, shortcut formula is not applicable when they ask in detail calculation of Fisher's, okay, index number. Okay, problems relating to these, okay, concept, it means relating to, okay, 5 formulas or 5 questions, okay, that will be done in the next class. Okay, thank you.